What's up, guys, and welcome back to another awesome episode of JDM for All. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your odometer from trip to odometer to basically nothing, and it's really simple, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. So it's really easy, and after I show you guys today, then you'll probably think it's even easier than it even is. So I had to figure this out myself, and after a while you will figure it out, but I wanted to make this video just to show you guys how. So basically you just start the car. Oh, also, this is on F Sports. You can do this on, I'm not sure if this is for other LEXUS ISs and other 3ISs, but I know for a fact this works for the F Sport, because obviously this is an F Sport. So I'm going to start my car right now, and boom. Okay, so it is started right now, and as you can see here, it is going to show on the right my, it basically shows nothing, and right over here on the left, there is an ODO, this and trip button. This is odometer and trip button right here. And when you tap this, it will switch it from your miles, your odometer and miles, to your trip, and then your maintenance required miles, and then nothing. So it's really easy, guys. It's super simple. I didn't realize this at first, but I want to make a video just to show you guys how to do this. And yeah, it's really easy. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.